Alright everyone, so now we're gonna talk about the parameters. Parameters are game changer in Tableau. And that's because, and this is my opinion, parameters are the best feature that Tableau did introduce. Because parameters in Tableau gonna make your visualizations very dynamic, interactive, and flexible in very unique way that you cannot find it in any other BI tool. Alright, so now what are parameters? Parameters are like variables in programming languages that allows user to replace a constant value in the calculations, filters, a reference line, and so on. Okay, so now what this really means, if you are building a view for your users, you are already making a lot of decisions, defining a lot of values, that gonna stay static, and the users are allowed only to read your views. So for example, you might create the following calculation in Tableau, where you are defining a threshold for your KPI. So you are saying if the total sales is less than 400, then the KPI gonna show red, otherwise it's gonna show green. So here the value, the threshold 400 is static and cannot be changed from the users, the viewers, only can be changed from the developer. But now you might be in a situation where you have two requirements from two different users where they define different thresholds. So here you end up making two calculations for two customers and as well creating two views. But now instead of doing that, we can use the power of parameters. So here we're gonna replace the value 400 with a parameter, and then we're gonna offer the parameter as an input field for the users in the view, and now the users can use the parameter to define the needed value as it requires. So using parameter gonna change the behavior of your view depending on the value of the parameter. This gonna make your views are dynamic and ready for any requirements. And there are endless ways to use parameters in Tableau, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you 6 different use cases. The first use case is about how to use parameters in calculations. The second use case is about the reference lines. The third one, how to use them in filter. And we have another very special use case on how to switch between dimensions and switch between measures in very dynamic way in one view. And another use case about the titles and text. And the last use case, how to use parameters in pens. Alright guys, so that was a quick intro to parameters. Next we will learn how to create dynamic calculations using parameters.